Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to securely move your TRX from Coinbase to a Tangem wallet. TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is a popular choice for transactions, and Tangem wallets offer top-notch security with their hardware-based protection. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with TRX in it, and your Tangem wallet should be initialized and ready to receive funds. Double-check that you have the TRX network selected, as crypto transfers are network-specific to prevent errors. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your TRX balance. Click on it to access the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually under the Assets tab. Step 2. Select TRX from your assets and choose the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is crucial. Open your Tangem Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the TRX address. Paste it carefully into Coinbase to avoid any typos, which could lead to lost funds. Step 3. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember to account for network fees. In 2025, Tron fees are still pretty low, but check the estimated cost before confirming. Review all the details, address, amount, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. Tron transactions are fast, so it should only take a minute or two. Once it's done, open your Tangem wallet to confirm the TRX has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time or check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and double-check addresses to protect against scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you send TRX from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet in 2025. It's a straightforward process that keeps your assets safe. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.